My people, this husband and wife, this new couple, this new wedded couple, they just go church, go marry. Coming back home now, the husband say he not dey marry again. My people, I say me I bring am come from that table. Video, the evidence dey. Wetin na fit say e go cause this thing. They say they don't wear them for church. They don't. Now my own opinion, you go still drop your own opinion. I go drop some opinion when me think by my own self. You go drop your own opinion in the comment section. Wait till you think by your own self. They don't marry finish. They don't do wedding finish for church. They don't they go house. Now God say no they marry again. And this girl they cry. This lady they cry. What till you do? Which news you hear, Oga? When you make you tell this woman say, you know one marry again. You know if let her reach house, go house. This man say no marry again. Then people they ask this man and say, wetin happen? He say no marry again. Wetin happen? Wetin trigger the say you know marry again? Wetin happen? He say no marry again. My people, wetin I think about this marriage? For me, I go drop my own 2 cents when I get. And may you drop your own 2 cents for the comment section. For me, this word is deep. Yes, let me put it like that. This word is deep. Some people, they are there. They are not happy for your progress. Yes, ask me again, I'll tell you. Some people, they're not happy for your progress. Some people, you go back and at the woman's side, now the amebo for come. Wait till you they marry this girl for. Wait till want you this girl do. Or wait till now like this, now like wait till the girl not just do. Some people, because they don't want me pass them. Or some don't want me pass their children. They will just forge on. Say na so the girl be. My people, if na don't explain that kind of thing, if na don't ever hear that kind of story, that kind of when I drop in the comment section, some people are like that. When some people, maybe the girl has secret her past life, she decide to hide it for the guy. Then the day of marriage now, the wedding, maybe the guy find out, say, you don't tell me like this, but like the one where I watch for one of my sister house, when man went marry, the woman hide children for her, say he don't born. But the man open, he talk. Like this one, they ask her and say, what did the girl do you? What did the girl do you? Enough see man take talk. Why you not want to marry this girl now? Why you not want to marry this lady? Me and you, as I talk to you now, this man not see something talk, say, this is the why I don't want to marry this girl. That one see the deal. Another one, when me see they take my people, I beg. Me una pardon me, or me una not come for me, una not insult me. Now how I still take how you still take may you still talk your own. You know, say this word is deep. Oh, this word is deep. Yes, we are just saying sure that this word is deep. You go for me, for my own opinion about the guy. I be you use and do something. They tell you say your first wife when you marry, after you don't marry, no reach as you break up with her. Yes, ask me again. Because this one not normal. Woman, when you don't marry, when you pay everything, when you do everything for, after the church wedding, you just start to say you don't marry again. Whether you they use them for something, my people, when I not come for me, now my own opinion, now be that. You see, I talk them for 3 different ways now. Whether he want to use them for something or he hears something from somewhere. Yes, because if this guy, he hears say this woman born, he hide her, he for open mouth. If this lady really do this guy something, this guy go open up, he go tell public. Everybody, people when they pass by, they beg. Oh, my people, may God not let us see man when he go put the grace for our body. Not be only man, may God not let us see anybody when he go put shame for our body. Whether friend, husband, anybody, sister, brother, may God not let us see something like that. As this lady, this girl, they cry rich. Everybody when they pass. People when they pass, they beg this guy. Even say the guy, so no be say, me I not tease him because now human being and God. Because now person character, now make people they tease person. Now person doing, now make person, people they call person names. You understand? Like this guy, no, just carry person sister. If now your sister, they do something like that, how you go feel, how you go do, how you go react. Everything they do for this one, maybe they always they put ourselves in that people's shoe. If now you, as now don't just wed finish now, your wife will tell you, say, no, marry. How you go feel? How you go feel take calm? You know, if you take her, you go see they cry, you go see they beg her because you don't want that shame. But you now you put this the grace, this shame. See how this girl they cry for streets. You know the mental, you know what in fact the things when they cause to this girl so. You know what the damage when they cause to this girl. If you will hear this girl anything, as far as they not be saying that children, now let children me go fit talk. As far as they not be children, or maybe they tell you say they remove a womb. If they will tell you say you not get womb to born, you go let her reach us, then you can go hospital, go do test. You now go hospital, go do test whether the womb not they read they work or the womb they work. After they don't be saying born hide. Now let born hide. Now me go feel say yes you do and way. That will put the grade. But you not see one thing talk come out. You when you not feel see one thing talk come out for public. Why you degrading somebody child in public? You when you not feel open your mouth in public talk say now this particular thing now this lady do me. Why you degrading somebody's child or somebody's sister in public or outside? Because as far as say that mind when you get to take feed the grace this our sister for public, say you know want marry am again, don't marry her for public. Then the same public that you for the grace and say you know want carry and go house. Why you not go still open mouth tell us now say what the girl do you? If not be say now do. If now something you want use and do, my brother will not work. God will not let am work. Yes, we the public, we the social media people. Yes, I can't say in-law because we never know you. It not go work. Except you know you can't do anything. You just come out, or maybe you're quite someone not don't see come out. You, my beautiful sister, come here. God have reason for you. Don't cry. You're bad and I say this might carry you reach us. Wait till you know who expect. Now you they see for there. God have better plan for you if your hand clean. Ask me again. If your hand clean, you know you not do this guy anything. The one where God will say bless you, you go say wow. Glory be to God. So I know who get married to that guy. I just say me, I will, I just say me, I just say, the one where God will say bless you. He go past this guy when you see so. Please, if you see this my video, never you give up. The advice I will still give you. Not say because of this guy now, he do you something, okay? This guy do you something now. Another suitor will come for you, say, may you marry. You go say no, you call the user, you are doing yourself. Don't do like that. Pick your pixies and start life again. Downfall of a man is not the end of his life. We have life ahead of us, okay? If you know say your hand pure, your everything pure, maybe now your pecs in relation, most of those relations, they want to try to destroy your marriage, go tell you this your husband. If this your husband really love you, put ear for access. Pick your pixies, okay? We get comments. I don't know whether I'll read one or two comments, okay? Let's go. Say I did woman, they just they cry. The guy not even send. If not something, why you this get take do? If not something, oh God, it will never work. May we go our comment. Person say we do not know if now true. Person say is this real? Person they ask say is this real people? Person they ask is this real because it they shock person. Is this real? Or not, that person say that is why you should kill yourself because of boyfriend or fiance because you do not even know if you marry. Let's talk now. He say, you want to kill yourself because of boyfriend or fiancé. You don't even know whether the marriage go last. He say he for no wed her now. Now wait till he still talk. He say you don't even know. He say that is why you should kill yourself because of boyfriend or fiancé because you don't even know if the marriage will last. He for no wed her now. Now wait till he talk. Another one say. Another person talk say poor manipulation. This one say poor, a bit pure. Poor manipulation from the wicked. May God reveal that arrow for rejection back to sender. Wow! It's actually now see what I see. So another person take out for here. I'll put the comment in the comment section. Maybe I not read that well. Yes. Any arrow back to the sender, any step back arrow, we rebuke it in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Another person say, now script, if not, get up. You hear what I say talk. Another person talk. He said, now script, okay, no problem. He say, if no be script, he say, dust your clothes and thank God for saving you from shit. That is poo. God. He said, may you get up, may you they happy. No, what I say tell you just now. Now make me they like to read. People comment. Post well, oh, which one is Nigerian man? That's na Ghana language. Me, my people, they say this one are from Ghana, now this one for happen. I beg. This person say, may I read the comment? This person say, he said, they capture your post well, oh. Which one is Nigeria man? Which one is Nigerian man? That's na Ghana language, then they speak. So before una, they put your for when we know he say food when they know they put. I say na Ghana if it happen. Wow. My thumbnail. She cheated on him with his best friend on his so he decided to hurt her even more. Wow. They say he cheats on him with his best friend, with his best friend. That is why he decided to pay her back like this. See? That is why it's good sometimes. I love to read comments, okay? If you watch them from the beginning, they say the girl cheats on the guy. Then he pretend to marry her. Then he go disgrace and open disgrace. My sister, my brother, my sister out there, whether in Ghana, they say for the help, my Ghanaian sister, my Nigeria sister, we are all one. We are all one human being. If you dey date guy, you don't need that guy again. For you to dey cheat, then just quit. Tell the guy say no. Because this the grace. So because you know people when people like when they will see something, now we good. You know say people when you do something they'll make when they go wound you. You go here. My people, me I leave you now with the video. Me now watch. They say now he cheat with his best friend. I make the go happen like that. Yes, at least from the beginning, if you watch to this end, Now see no say wait till they say it happen. I be that I'll drop the call. Say it happen from Ghana, my Ghana concan, my Ghana people, my Nigeria. When I enjoy this video, I'll see you in my next video. Please, if you enjoy watching my video, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a massive thumbs up. Okay, give me a massive thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. You can watch any of my video when they see for here. Oh lo lo lo. Let me say you go. Oh lo lo lo. Oh lo lo lo. Oh lo lo lo.
Ago. Why? What did she do? What did she do you? Why? Bros, why now? Bros, calm down now. Bros, why now? Bros, calm down now. Hey. They beg them, we say they marry again. We say they marry again.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.